Hey everyone! Want to make a stunning neon text art in seconds? Today I'll show you how to create glowing neon typography using Ideogram.ai. Quick, easy, and free. Let's get started. First, open Ideogram.ai and sign in or log into your account. And once you're in, you'll see a prompt box where all the magic starts. Then here, write your prompt. Type in exactly what you want. Be specific about the style, color, and background. For example, prompt. Neon glowing text that says Dream Big, a vibrant pink and blue glow, dark city background, and ultra realistic lighting. Then below, you can set the aspect ratio. You can select your preferred aspect ratio like square for social media or widescreen for wallpapers. You can also select style options. You can go for a render for faster result and add extra color and detail. And once you're happy with the prompt, click Generate and wait for a few seconds and your glowing neon typography will appear. And that's it. You just made a neon typography art in Ideogram AI. Save it and share it and keep it in experimenting with different colors and style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.